Good morning, how you doing? I am Chris Thompson and we are Rockville bound today. Going to do a tenant checkout and final walkthrough. See you there. Just arrived here in Rockville. Haven't seen this house in a little bit. Same tenants for like 5 years. Phenomenal. Can't wait to see the inside. Let's go take a tour. We definitely need a paint job. Clean up the window trim. Touch up some of the siding. The siding's really faded over here. Trim boards up there. I think we got a rock board on that deck too. Couple of rock boards here. Definitely a paint job on the exterior. So every time we plug this sump pump in, it trips the breaker. So we need to either replace the breaker or potentially replace the sump pump. Everything works,
It's
but
clean.
sometimes it leaks, sometimes it does not leak. So we need to look to replace that. All right, so once the roof was replaced, this still was not fixed. So everything is dry, but we need to replace the drywall. Probably cut a section out about that big, replace the drywall there. Need to replace that. It's rotting out right here. And just some more cleanup on the outside, the trim boards. Let's go see how the tenants left it. This place is as clean as a dime. Downstairs, got a full bath over here. Big rec room, storage room. Just finished up here at Wren Street. Got a little bit of maintenance stuff to do for the owners, but all in all, this place is clean as a pin. And we already have an application in on it. It hasn't even hit the market yet. It's the power of networking. We love it.